Alright guys, I got an email that my package is here. I have been waiting for this package for I don't know how long. So we're going to go get this package right now, by the way. Shout out to Maddie Apoya. Go check his channel out. He is awesome. This is an awesome hoodie. Go check him out. So, let's go get that package. So, this is the Dbrand grip that I backed on Indiegogo when it first launched. So, let's do a little unboxing, shall we? Okay, so you've got paper and the skin I ordered. I ordered the Dragon Pack for the iPhone 6s Plus. And then inside we have the Dbrand grip. But before we get into this, it's not popping. Why is it not popping? Okay, anyway. So this is the case that the Dbrand grip comes in. It's actually a fairly hard case when we open it up. There is our Dbrand grip. And I don't know how to get it out. Got a little card. A headphone extender, I guess. So if you don't have, if you use like a right angle connector with like the Beats or something, I guess. Oh, I don't know. Then you have your grip. And this is actually a little bit different than I thought it would be compared to most bumpers. But, props for packaging. I might actually keep this because it's so nice. So looking at, let's just see how they package the skins. So I ordered the Dragon Pack, and it also came with a matte black skin, so you got all three skins there. And you also get this thing. Yeah, documentation, we don't need that. Looking at the grip, it's really, really nice. And these corners here are packed with Dbrand's patented material that is supposed to help absorb all the shock for if you drop it. They actually sent a package of just that material to Unbox Therapy to look at, and I'll actually put a link in the description up here to that video. It's either this corner or this corner, one of the two. Alright, so let's go get the phone, see what happens. So this is my iPhone 6s Plus, and I've been using a life-proof case on it, so you can kind of see grip actually has a little bit smaller footprint than the life-proof case does. So let's stick it in real quick. Alright. So I guess we just insert. I had it on backwards. Hang on. Okay, that's better. Alright, so the buttons actually feel pretty clicky and good on this because these buttons right here are actually have that bump on them. Plus you have all these screws right here to help you grip the phone. Grip. And yeah, this little slider right here worked just fine for me. It actually works better than it did on the life-proof case. That I don't know why, it just never wanted to move. So this overall just feels better in the hand than this case ever did. Which I always needed some kind of better protection because I like to work construction with my stepdad a lot, and I work at a car wash, so I always needed a little more protection. And most bumpers are very, very soft, but this one's more of a hard type of thing. It has more reinforced corners than most bumpers do. So props to you, Dbrand. And I'm going to go get a hair dryer, and then I will apply my skins, and then we'll see what it looks like then. Alright, skin applied, grip goes on. Try to turn the right way this time. And it is a perfect fit. Yeah, see that? That is a beautiful thing right there. Now I've actually had the grip for a couple of hours going in and out of class until I got my friend's hair dryer, and I can honestly say when you first get it, it ain't that grippy, but as you begin to use it, I almost think it uses the oils of your skin to actually start getting more of a grip, because they said it actually gets grippier over time, and that's technically correct because in the time I've been using it, it's actually gotten more grippy, and now you can't. I mean, I can't even slide it across the table. And I will say too that it actually does begin to almost stick to your pocket when you go, if you're putting it in your pants, and if you have really tight jeans, then it might stick to your pants a little more. I wear very loose jeans, so it's not a problem for me. But the feel of it is almost fairly similar to the life-proof case, because the life-proof case has little points, but it's not grippy, and that's the reason I didn't like it, because all these slick sides right here did not grip anything, and now this one actually has grip sides, so you can actually hold your phone and not drop it. So yeah, I'm overall very, very happy with this. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next video, and if you like the video, leave a like, maybe subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.